Hi everyone. We will discuss one problem regarding RC low pass circuit, and the question is design a low pass RC low pass circuit with a cutoff frequency of 2 kilohertz. The equation for the cutoff frequency FC, we will write cutoff frequency FC is equal to, as per the derivation, it is 1 by 2 pi RC, where R will be the resistance and C will be the capacitance. Okay, so if you want, you can write it FC, and FC is equal to cutoff frequency in hertz. R is the resistance in ohm. Like I can write here, FC is the frequency in hertz, and R is the resistance in ohm, and the capacitance C is the capacitance in farad. Okay. Here the given data is Fc is equal to 2 kilohertz. It is given, okay, and we need to find out, or we need to design an RC low pass circuit that basically has a cutoff frequency of 2 kilohertz. Okay, and we can proceed. So we need to look at this equation. That is the only equation we have, that cutoff frequency Fc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Rc, and we have the left hand side LHS, which is 2 kilohertz, and we need to find out the RHS. So we have 2 into pi value is, we know, 3.14, and R value as well as C value we don't know. So we only can able to proceed in this problem. We need to assume any one parameter value, either C resistance value or capacitor value. So I'm going to assume R is equal to, I take 10 kilohertz, R equal to 10 kilohertz, sorry, kilo ohm, it's a kilo ohm, I can write it as R is a resistance, so R is equal to 10 kilo ohm. So this I am assuming. Once I assume R, I can substitute this R into this equation. Okay, so it's 2 kilohertz, that is the cutoff frequency, is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3.14, that is the pi value, into 10 kilohertz. So 10 into 10 kilo ohm. So 10 into kilo ohm, in a sense 10 power 3 ohm, into your last value, capacitance C value. So I will shift this C to the other side of the equal, and this 2 kilohertz to this side. Okay, so I can able to calculate capacitance C is equal to 2 kilohertz comes to the other side, it becomes 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 power 3 into 2 kilohertz, that is 2 into kilo again 3, 10 power 3 hertz. Okay, so the equation becomes capacitance value C is equal to, if you do the mathematics, it will be around 7.96 into 10 power minus 6 farad. Capacitance unit is farad. So this is the value. So 10 power minus 6 is nano. So I can write C, capacitance C is equal to 7.96 nanofarad. So this will be the capacitance value. And if you practically, if you look at this, capacitance value is nearly, the closest value available in the laboratory, it will be 8.2 nanofarad. So you can use 8.2 nanofarad, or I think any other value is available, that nearest value you can take. So this is the solution. So if you are asking, if someone is asking you to design a low pass filter, once you find out this capacitor value, now you can able to draw, because low pass filter you will be having a resistance and a capacitance in parallel. So you draw that, and once you draw this, you can put your resistance value is equal to 10 kilo ohm. That is the value you assumed, and the value you got it for the capacitor is 8.2. Sorry, that is the nearest value, or else you can write 7.96. But in the laboratory, it is 8.2 nanofarad. So either you can write the laboratory value available, or the calculated value you have 7.96 nanofarad. So this is how you will design the circuit. So this circuit will provide a cutoff frequency of 2 kilohertz. So that's the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching.